Hello Libra, you are tuned into Ruhani Guidance, and this is your weekly prediction from the 28th of November to the 5th of December 2020. Please take whatever resonates and leave the rest. For personalized readings, please reach to me. My email is mentioned in the description box below. Let's quickly look into your energies, Libra. We've got the Hanged Man and receptivity. So the hangman here indicates that you could be feeling stuck in a situation of life, or in a situation, in a love life situation, in a work life situation. But this looks to me more on the love life, which is also impacting your work life. So, Libra, there is an overall there's an overall phase of stagnation for you. This could be due to various reasons, but I know it stems out of your love life. Okay, so now what you need to do is you need to stay neutral. You need to think things through. If you are going through a period of separation, you need to start visualization. You need to start asking for messages from the universe. There could be some sort of a scapegoating. Either you could be scapegoating your partner, you could be taking them for granted, and they could figure this out, and in turn they could retaliate on this approach. Or I think you're stuck on an option. When it comes to your love life, you definitely have more than one options in your love life, but you're stuck on an option, and that option is in turn stagnated. They are not responding to you, which makes you feel in a loveless situation, which makes you feel stagnated and held back. I would advise you to just stay neutral. Do not take any step towards or against the relationship. Just let this week pass, and the energies are surely changing for you. If you can, you should talk to someone who can help you center your energies, who could be a counselor, a teacher, a preacher, anybody who you look up to. If you spend some time with them, your energies are sure to bounce back. On your love life, again, like I said, 7 of Cups and new visions. Again, the Hangman. Things are stagnated. Let them be for a while. For this, you do not have to let your career get impacted. I see you feel extremely disappointed in your career as well. You just want to leave this place and go away because of the constant opposition you have, which otherwise you would have handled very nicely, but because things are not working out in one area of your life, it is getting it is spilling through on other areas of your life, Libra. Constant opposition, resistance to change, a lot of conflicts at your workplace, a lot of verbal arguments. Get rid of them. Do not indulge into anything that's not going to be meaningful for you even 5 days later. A message from your partner would be, I find it easier to love you in 5 days. What do you need to get rid of by the time we end November? You need to get rid of distractions. You need to choose your priorities and eliminate the distractions. If there are some Libras who are trying to start something new or want to know how they can heal their soul, you need to adopt creative expression. Your soul longs to express itself creatively. Libra, it is extremely important for you to stay grounded this week. I would advise you to keep a black tourmaline. It is extremely important for you to have this for the next 15 days at least, because your energies are really haywire. Also, I would recommend you to keep a 7 chakra bracelet. This is the bracelet in rose quartz with all the 7 chakra beads. This is going to help you organize and align your chakras, which is extremely important for you again, Libra. These are hard times, but you will and surely bounce back, and things are looking up for you in the coming month. December will be a very different month for you, Libra. So stay hopeful, stay positive, and please write to me in the comment section below if this resonates with you. Please stay tuned to Ruhani Guidance, and stay home, stay safe, and stay connected to our channel. Thank you.